Let's talk about this. It's in the show here with some bullish talk. So obviously we have, I don't remember who put it out, but like there's like a 90% chance that a spot Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved within the next
90.
next 6 months. Obviously that's a
Mm,
window. I would say I think it's probably, I would say higher than 50% chance we get it by January 1st. And I think
mm.
almost 90% to 100% by March, the deadline. I think it's like March 20th, right around my birthday, March 23rd, March 24th, right around there, or I think it's March 15th actually, but I think for sure we're going to get it by then. So, what cryptos are you watching, eyeing, for this upcoming bull rally? And, what are your thoughts also with, the just what could happen with that ETF getting approved and the halving?
Yeah, I was about to say the halving. That I think the timing is the halving. So
Mm,
around, like you said, March to Mayish, June, I think it's going to happen. Definitely, I think it's going to get approved. There's no reason for it not to get improved now that CZ is gone.
yeah.
So Larry Fink, take the
The
charge,
red
right?
carpet is there.
Yeah. So what I think is, I think honestly the whole market is going to moon,
Yeah.
right? I think the top
Do you think we're going to
25 will
see?
change.
Do you think we're going to see the levels of mooning like we like right now? I think we're like, what's the total? Let me go pull it up real
Market,
quick. Yeah, total market cap of everything is like 1 point.
I think it's
Uh,
1.4 trillion.
1.39 trillion.
Okay.
So, and the height of that was
I think it did to 3 billion trillion.
3 trillion. Yeah, right
Yeah.
under 3 trillion, like 2.9. So,
And
what
Apple at the height was 3 trillion.
Yeah. So what are you expecting with this spot Bitcoin ETF to get approved? And obviously the halving and altcoins, Ethereum, and everything probably got taking advantage of that bull market as well and bringing in liquidity. What are you expecting to see as far as a total market cap for the entire space at the height of the next bull market?
The height,
Yeah. Yeah.
to be honest, my real 3 to 5 trillion.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, because 3 trillion again is reaching the previous heights. Um, we gotta go pay attention to what Michael Saylor is doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you ever looked at the micro strategy stock,
No.
it looked like a Bitcoin chart now.
Yeah.
It's insane. You know what I mean? So seeing that chart going up 700% at the height when he was doing this thing, everything retraced. And then again, CZ gone. I just see that the market will be in what year, 16, 17 for crypto as a whole.
Mm-hmm.
It is slowly becoming that new thing. But I see 3 to 5 trillion easily. Why is because the Fed has stop doing essentially rake pot or hikes
Hikes. Yeah.
and yeah hikes. So 4 to 6 months of those based on data shows they start to go down, and then once that goes down, the tech goes up based on quantitative easing. So just kind of adding all that in, that's why June, that area of time is when they should start lowering the rates, which means everybody's going to be speculating more.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody wants to 10x, and that's going to be all of stocks, crypto. Apple, I think, will have to be at 4 trillion for the overall crypto market to be another competitor. So I
Yeah.
see it all going to the moon,
Yeah,
to be
I would.
honest.
I'm actually a little bit more, and I don't know, like maybe it's a little more drawn out. I would say like conservatively, yeah, 3 to 5 trillion is easy. Like,
Yeah.
and honestly, I think a lot of that will just be Bitcoin. That's why I'm saying, like I think Bitcoin
Yeah.
is going to take.
Bitcoin 4x, that's already 2 trillion.
Yeah, but I think it's going to be center stage, and I think you're going to see it run first, right? And then once the quantitative easing and all that happens, that's when I think you'll see a lot of profits from Bitcoin then roll into Ethereum, and then the alt season will actually run. So it might actually be a little
Mhm.
bit later, but I would not be surprised to see the top almost hit 10 trillion. Like I know that sounds
Mm.
wild, but I'm just saying when you look at all of the money that could come in from the likes of all these asset managers and people start speculating getting
Yep.
401k drips into Bitcoin and into crypto assets. Like
Yep.
I saw one of the ones that we're bullish on is Render. That one is
Yep.
on Grayscale's thing, and they're looking at that one. They're looking at Filecoin. They're
Wow.
looking at obviously other things like Quant and ETH and things like that. But it's just like it's coming, right? Like it's like we see the wave, and a lot of people are just chilling at the beach. They got their sunshades on, they're blocking everything out, they're listening to music, they're going to concerts, they're watching football games. They don't care about nothing that's coming, but there is a tsunami wave of money that's going to come into this space. And the thing is, don't try to time it, right? Don't get caught trying to catch
Nope.
the run, just get in now and start DCAing into solid things. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing, right? I'm not
Let me try
recommending
to
anyone to do that.